Welcome to the fucking Miami vlog. Let's fucking do this shit. This is one of those things that you just have to fucking do.
In this life I gotta get rich, I can't be broke. I was asking favors and everyone telling me no. Wait till the tables turn, we'll see who stays or goes. I don't wanna be outside, I need someone that can keep me home.
Got a pretty cool day planned ahead. We're gonna be just hopping on an airplane, and then after that we'll grab some lunch. Yeah. Yeah, but we're fucking skydiving though. Crazy. No, we're not. You just have to fucking do it. Oh my god, if fucking Holden can do it, I can fucking do it. I can't like just not do it. I think I just need to mentally calibrate what's going on. That's what we're doing, we're gonna do it. Oh man, yo, I'm being way too nonchalant about this shit. It's just like a ride at Playland. It's honestly probably like a lot safer than those rides. I'm sorry, Mom. It's good, yeah. Yeah, this is crazy.
Hey Dom, my name's Michael. Gonna fucking jump out of airplane. Get ready! I was born ready!
Do you think about the days when we sat down smoking wine and drinking haze? Or is it the other way? Is it the other way?
Let's fucking go! That's how it's done, man!
Holy fuck. That shit was like nothing you could even imagine, bro. You need to actually do it for yourself. You need to face your biggest fears. That was one of my biggest fears, jumping out of a plane, like just heights in general. Thank you so much, man. Hey.
Go away. See you, bro.
Hey, skydiving certificate. So we jumped from 10,000 feet. We got 10.2 thousand followers. We're en route to make at least 10K in the next month with the business. 10K is a special number. Cheers. Yeah, I've been running the online business, I think since 1994, 1995, around there. I started like, you know, in the womb. I was like documenting the journey, building my personal brand, you know, figuring out ways how to monetize, optimizing the funnel. Damn, yo. Cheers, mate. If you told me I'd hit 10K a month ago, I would have been like, there's no fucking way, but I believe it. Because I believed in myself back then. That's the only reason why I'm at where I'm at today. It really just takes luck in and believing that you're that guy. Start acting like that guy, start doing the things that person would do. And that's all I did. I was posting every day. Volume negates your luck. So if you post every single day, you're not gonna miss a lucky day. And then my shit just compounded and then it just skyrocketed. I just stopped thinking about doing this shit and I actually started doing it. I was procrastinating posting for so fucking long. I said, you know what? Fuck it. I can do this. It's one video a day. How hard is that? So it's just about making habits like that and sticking to your promise that you made to yourself. Now we're out here in Miami. Now we get to fucking celebrate this shit. 10K verification. Boom.
Yeah, all I do is win, no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up.
To be the man, you gotta beat the man.
And they say that.
Here, Mike, take a quick of this. That's funny. Hey, go Canucks, go! Trust, we're here next year. This is funny, but this is nowhere near as electric as like.
Like, what would it be if it was Vancouver, bro?
Way different than this. It'd be everywhere, man. Just a little patch right here. That's it. Kind of sad.
It looks like GTA, bro. Literally GTA right now. Does. Like in the GTA 6 trailer, it looks like it. I'm glad I got to Miami before GTA 6. Hey, now I can actually say like I was in GTA.
How are we gonna hop in here?
And when you jump in the water and sea salt water, like, woo, it's a natural sea salt spray. You don't have to buy some dude's TikTok shop motherfucking $14.99 sea salt spray. Just run into the ocean, bro. I don't even care where you live, bro. Even if the water's dirty, hop in that shit. Fucking make the fucking curls go crazy and the girls will go crazy.
Oh.
It's really nice to see like the world and stuff, but I kind of really do appreciate where we live because we live in like one of the top 3 countries. I'm like honestly super grateful for where I've come from. It kind of puts things into perspective. Like it's really cool here, it's really nice, but it doesn't beat where I come from. You know, super blessed to live in Vancouver. After traveling around in some of these big places, in the last month I've been to Dubai, Miami, even Cancun as well. I think I would still live in Vancouver. I would still lock down, settle down in Vancouver, just because like the water is really clean, the air is very clean. That's just home for me. In the winter time when Vancouver is actually shit, when it's all cold and snow and like raining 8 days a week, I would come out here. So then you get a place in Vancouver, you rent it out while you're traveling, and then like you just travel around. Passive income, $1 million a week, easy money. I feel like I'm just a super serious person all the time, and I like to give advice and I like to talk real serious, but bro, I'm also a fucking idiot sometimes too. No, honestly, 90% of the time I'm a fucking idiot. You only see like 10% of like who I really am. I'm a fucking idiot sometimes. So I think it's like putting that goofy side into like videos and stuff whenever you make it adds that element of like authenticity. So just be who you are. Like don't even like try to put on a friend stuff. I feel like the whole time I've been making videos, I've always tried to be really educational and stuff, and like it works. It works. It's got me to where I am today. But what I think is like gonna get me further is just being more authentic and just being like loose. Keep it chill, keep it light. I mean, I'll come back up here. 12 bucks, I mean, shit. That's not bad, yeah. It's pretty expensive though. Damn near 20 bucks for one slice of pizza. I mean, we'll see. Oh, yo. Thank you. Oh, it's too big. Too big, bro. It's bigger than my face, bro. You got one bite, one bite? Should I try to one bite it? Thumbnail? It's probably hard as shit. Look at that flop, man. Oh my god. That's pretty good. Out of 10, what is that? Yeah, 7.37. If you're ever into Miami, bro, pizza bar. Best pizza out here. But to be honest though, the best pizza in the world, it's decent pizza, bro. Get the West Coast or Margarita Zero. A little bit of pesto and shit. Shout out to Nader. He helped me get to where I want to go in terms of entrepreneurship, giving me that foundation of working hard and success and learning what it takes to actually run a business. So he's the man. If you know him, you know. And if you know, you know.
What? You gonna hop on my car? Feeling cool, riding with stars.
So how much is this shirt, bro? How much is it?
This shirt's like 500 bucks, but it's way too baggy on me to wear as a shirt, so I just gotta wear it as a tank, bro.
Okay. This is a spot. Okay, the view here is actually pretty nice. Look at this. Yo, look at the pool. The heights is kind of like that. No, it's weird. I know you got a clothing drop coming down pretty soon on July 5th. How do you prepare for that?
Having an e-commerce brand is so easy because all you got to do is simply just have a product that's high in demand. Once you have a product that's high in demand, you can do anything you want. You can sell anything you want. People are just gonna buy it. That's why it's good to have something that's high in demand. The biggest thing is also having scarcity around it, because if you don't have scarcity around your product, you're just gonna think like it's so much available and everyone can buy it. All you gotta do is just have a small quantity drop and then have a demand, have scarcity for it. You just want to have something different. If I just made a random brand like essentials, like a streetwear, yeah, like a streetwear brand, there's so many, there's like over 1,000 of those brands. So I wanted to narrow it down, do something that I'm comfortable with and like I'm familiar with. So I'm obviously into basketball, and then so many people have been wearing compression shirts, and I just wanted to set myself different, something that people would want to wear and that they'd see like their favorite players wearing too. So kind of narrow it down, not having it super broad where it's like a big niche that everyone will wear. What about you? When you land your first client, what's the next move after that?
Whenever you're doing some kind of service, or if you're doing info, whatever the case is, even if it's like you're landing like a lawn mowing client or someone, just fulfillment is so important. I'm looking to give the greatest results and like crazy testimonial, because that's ultimately gonna like get me my next client.
Bro, building a personal brand is the best thing you can do in 2025, because if it wasn't for Michael's help on me, then I would have never started. So that's why it's so good to build a personal brand. You can use your brand to leverage a brand, a business that you're starting. Like, it literally costs nothing to post. People like Sam Millsap popping everywhere, blowing up because he just posts the whole day, and then he's just getting way more clients and all that traffic. If you don't have a personal brand, you're gonna have to pay ads. It's gonna cost you nearly like $1,000 per day.
When you see an advertisement, people know that they're being sold on something, but when people feel like they're a part of a community and they're a part of like a movement, that's what really gets them like engaged, and that's what wants them to like buy. Because when you make the person feel like they're a part of an experience and they feel like they're valued, me as a creator, like I care for the person, and that's what really makes that brand, and that's how you actually start to see that success.
You want to try, Mike?
Hey bro, what you got over there?
Don't show the cam right now.
$3 pasta, yo?
No, it was like $25 USD. Stop showing it, bro. I don't want people to see this. Get that camera on my face, man.
So right now, we're gonna go get some dinner.
Yo, Loki, this place might be super underrated. This is healthy food.
Hey.
Fuck yeah.
For $5, it's not too bad.
I was gonna rate it a 2. After seeing all this, $5, solid 8.75 out of 10.
I give it like a solid 5 because I paid 10 and I just got the portion of 1.
With G's business, bro, it's making me hella tempted to jump and dabble into it. But like, I don't know, it's 2 different types of business models. Like, do you wanna like have that automation and just like have it work for you? Or like, do you like actually like putting in the work and then seeing the actual tangible money come out of it? It's like with high ticket consulting and high ticket sales, you really see the work that gets out of it. You really get the fruits of your labor based on like how hard you work and put work into it. But it's actually nice if you have both. With G, he can create an offer and run that shit because his business is surrounded around that. For my business, it's like I'm mainly consulting and helping people. So that's like the whole backbone pretty much. Like I could just go and like run ads and then get a bunch of leads and then just make more money. Like I can decide how much money I want to make, like based on like I can hire people, I can like delegate a lot of the process and then take fewer sales calls and just like onboard a lot more people, hire more coaches and stuff. And the money that you can make with info is like pretty much unlimited because you can just fucking scale that shit up and just keep reinvesting and like it just doesn't end because you're selling info. With G, you're selling a product, but when you're selling info, it's basically a service or whatever the case may be. It's nothing. You're literally selling nothing, but you're selling yourself and your value. So with that business model, that's the reason why it's like you have to like work and you actually have to like put the effort in and stuff. And that's what like that hustle mentality comes out of with sales reps. So that's why a lot of these sales reps and these sales guys and consultants, they're so good at sales because it's like that's where they live and breathe and they actually love the process of like seeing that fucking money come in. So it's just different preferences, I guess, for business models, but everything works. You just gotta choose one and double down and go all in. And the best thing about being an entrepreneur is the fact it's like, bro, like I don't have to go to work tomorrow. Like I'm in Miami right now. It's not like I don't have a boss up my ass telling me, Michael, you gotta go back to work. I just work for myself. You have that freedom. You have that ability to make money for yourself. So you don't need to rely on anyone. It really makes you feel like more of a man and more of a leader. That's the goal, man. Just being able to like be that influence and like bring your family and like be an inspiration for others. Guy doing, bro? What's going on? Y'all been locked in here, bro. I'm making these videos, and after I make the video, I go hop in the pool, take a nice little quick dip. Can't complain. I mean, with a beautiful view like this, working hard, being able to, you know, get a little bit of a tan going while I'm getting these videos out, I mean, it feels great. I'm very happy where I'm at. Very happy to be here. Very happy to see you. Glad you made it out. I mean, just at 5%, so I'm pushing until there's no more gas in the tank, pretty much, from my computer. We got a crazy video coming out, bro. Free content video. So the thing about that is that like when I put out an entire video giving away free game, all the course sellers are getting fucked. All these guys are getting absolutely fucked because all the shit that they're charging for, they're charging like crazy high ticket prices for a video. So like, bro, I'm trying to like just entirely annihilate every single course seller there is out there teaching about personal branding so that I can give all this information away and give it access to anybody for free. And then that's how I'm gonna run my business. Anyone else who wants to level up from there or get actually tailored fit strategies and one-on-one consulting, because having a mentor is the biggest asset you can do to get to where you wanna go a lot faster. That's the way I'm gonna run this business model, and that's the way you should run your info product business model and your personal brand if you're actually trying to make bread in this, because you're paying people, you're paying the mentor for the access and proximity. So that's the way I'm running it. I love this business model. I love the way like I'm feeling about it. I'm feeling really good about the launch. We're gonna get the rest of this video done. We're gonna have an amazing night. We're gonna document the entire thing for y'all, just so you can see what it's like living in Miami, bro. What the whole lifestyle is like, what it's really like, because it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Sometimes we have to actually lock in, sit our ass down, get some shit going. But the good thing is you can hop in the pool. Work-life balance, man. That's what we do out here. You know, I'm a cannonball. I'm gonna do a cannonball. That's crazy. I feel like when you're traveling, you should like immerse yourself for about a month or so, because I don't know, I can't really have a good opinion about these people here and everything. I mean, I got a good idea. I mean, people say like Miami, a bunch of course sellers and stuff, but I mean, it's not all like that. I mean, there's people that are like actually doing solid numbers and like behind the scenes stuff.
We all go to the same school and shit. Manifestation, bro, that shit's gonna work wonders, bro.
Real life will catch up with your mind eventually.
I know.
But that's good. You guys are so young doing this shit. It's so different. It's like when I was your guys' age, bro, I wasn't doing shit. So like the fact you guys are so young starting this out, you guys are in like such a good position. Like compared to like all your guys' friends back home, it's so smart of you guys to like come out here as well and network with people. It just shows that you guys are actually serious about it. Next generation, boys.
Youngins, man.
Just locked someone in. Bada bing, bada boom. We in the airport right now. Dom's fucking on the phone and shit. Shit is bumping up. Lock someone in. We're gonna make him a fuck ton of money. That's how we like to start the day. Start it off hot. Doesn't matter where you are. You can do this shit anywhere, bro. I'm in the fucking lounge right now, bro. I'm in the airport. Give me 3 more calls, bro. I'll close them. Let me know if you think the vlog was fucking sick or not. But either way, thanks for watching and stay locked in, my friend.